Hey guys, this is Kausar Hassan. Welcome my channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can work with WordPress in your local machine. Let's get started. If you're not subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to download XAMPP. Uh, just just type them download and go to first link. If you're Windows user, just click latest version. As you can see, 161 MB, this megabyte. Just click on download. It will really, I have already one, so I don't this. And then you need to download WordPress. Go to wordpress.org. Go to wordpress.org, and as you can see, top right corner, get the WordPress. Just click and it will download now. So I have already, so I cannot do it this. Just go to download folder. Okay, download. First of all, extract WordPress. Okay, and then install XAMPP software. Okay, wait a minute, Pitanami. Okay, just ignore. See, okay, next. Wait some time. Okay, as install finish, so click on finish. As you can see, this is the XAMPP control panel. So after do this, so I need to go to your C drive and go to XAMPP and go to the next htdocs folder. As you can see, htdocs folder. Go to htdocs folder and create a new folder for your project. So create a new folder. Projects. I create a project. If you can give any name. Projects. Projects. Then projects, you can create a new projects. I can create YouTube projects. YouTube. Okay, so in the YouTube folder, you need to copy your WordPress file. Okay, you can see WordPress and copy everything. Okay, so move. Okay. Copying everything. Wait some time for copy. Now just click on this XAMPP control panel. Just click on Apache and MySQL. Just start to Apache and MySQL. So and go to any browser. Just the localhost /dashboard. Okay, localhost dashboard. As you can see, this is localhost dashboard. So I need to create, first of all, I need to create a database. So go to PHP admin and create a new database. Click on new and give a name. I gave YouTube for YouTube. Okay, that's great. And then I need to create a user. So okay, so I need to create user. First add a new user. I can give my name and then type in localhost. Host name will be localhost. Okay, localhost. Password, give a password. And then click check all and click on go. Okay, everything is okay. Now I need to go to C drive again, xampp htdocs, and go to projects. As you can see, a new folder. Oh, sorry, it will be okay for YouTube. Okay, so just put wp config sample. Okay, open, then give you database name. You have already created database, as you can see, a YouTube, right? So give your database name YouTube that you already gave a PHP admin. Okay, YouTube, and username will be my name. Username and password will be 12345, and host will be localhost. So after do this, just save and rename this file. Just remove sample, and yes, this is okay. So now go to again localhost, and type projects projects, and as you can see, this is our directory, YouTube directory. As you can see, this is YouTube directory. As you can see, just click on this is the and you can see this is the WordPress interface. Now you can install this site. You can use YouTube practice username, my name. Copy this, anything. Okay, after that, okay, we will log in, username, password. Wait some time for login. This is the WordPress. As you can see, is a local machine. WordPress in a local machine, so you can do anything in a local machine. You can practice, you can anything, you can do anything. So if you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and stay with me. Thank you so much.